Hello everyone, welcome to Neutron. So today we'll be doing the current affairs show, the daily one-liners of 10th July 2021. So let's begin with the today's session. India and Gambia signs MOU to strengthen cooperation in governance reforms. Capital and currency of Gambia. The capital of Gambia is Banjul and currency of Gambia is Gambian Dalasi. Union Cabinet approved several initiatives. They are A. COVID-19 emergency response and health system preparedness package of phase 2 will be implemented at a total cost of rupees 23,123 crore from July 1 to March 31st, 2022. B. Memorandum of Cooperation was signed between CCI and Japan Fair Trade Commission. C. MOU was signed between ICAI and ACCA UK. D. Modification in the Central Sector Scheme of Financing Facility of Rs 1 lakh crore worth Agricultural Infrastructure Fund. And D. Amendment in Coconut Development Board Act 1979 for creation of administrative posts. Google India became the first technology company which is qualified as significant social media intermediaries to publish a transparency report under the New Information Technology Rules 2021. SSMIs are technology platforms which have more than, the answer is 5 million users. Minister of Electronics and Information Technology, the answer is Ashwani Vaishnaw. Minister of Information and Broadcasting, the answer is Anurag Singh Thakur. Coal India Limited has entered into a contract with IZ Karatex for installation and commissioning of 11 electric rope shovels. India's first integrated carbon black complex has been successfully commissioned in, the answer is Bellary, Karnataka. Confederation of Indian Industry in partnership with Ministry of External Affairs has organized the first edition of, the answer is Indo-Pacific Business Summit 2021. What is the theme of Indian Pacific Business Summit 2021? The answer is developing a roadmap for shared prosperity. President of Confederation of Indian Industry, the answer is TV Narendra. Bharat Dynamics Limited signed a rupees 499 crore contract with Ministry of Defence for manufacture and supply of, the answer is Akash missiles to Indian Air Force. Who is the CMD of Bharat Dynamics? The answer is Commodore Siddharth Mishra, who is retired. Dash cleared the provision for usage of satellite-based VSAT system for providing telecom connectivity to remote areas and also gave approval to implement BharatNet project under PPP in 16 states. The answer is Digital Communication Commission. India will host International Climate Summit in New Delhi with key focus on green hydrogen and making India a global hub for hydrogen production. India's Chief of Army General MM Narwane conducted high-level meeting with his counterparts and senior military leaders in UK and Italy as part of his European tour. World's tallest sandcastle was built by Wilfred Stiger, which is 69 feet tall in, the answer is Bolkhus, Denmark. RBI directed banks to shift from LIBOR to ARR by which date? The answer is by December 31st, 2021. What is the full form of ARR? The answer is Alternative Reference Rates. What are the two popular ARRs? The answer is Secured Overnight Financing Rate and Sterling Overnight Interbank Average Rate. Dash Dash and Dash launched One Mumbai Metro card to enable cashless and contactless travel for Mumbai people. The answer is MasterCard, Mumbai Metro One Private Limited and Axis Bank launched One Mumbai Metro card to enable cashless and contactless travel for Mumbai people. STPI, Software Technology Parks in India, signed a MOU with Bank of Baroda, Yes Bank, MathsWork, Your Story, Freshworks, and Pontac to build a robust startup ecosystem in India. Dash and Dash made a partnership and launched an 18-week fintech professional program under the Axis Bank NIIT Digital Banking Academy. The answer is NIIT and Axis Bank made partnership and launched an 18-week fintech professional program under the Axis Bank. Debit cards and credit cards issued by banks will have a complimentary personal accident insurance cover. SEBI has reduced the advanced intimation timelines for stock exchanges to make modification in the contract specification of, the answer is, commodity derivatives contracts. Timelines for Category A, Category B and Category C of CDCs was reduced to 10 days to bring uniformity. RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of Rs 14.5 crore on 14 banks for non-compliance with rules. Syed Osman Azhar Maksusi wins United Kingdom's Commonwealth Points of Light Award. ICC CEO Manu Shahne resigned over abrasive conduct. Former West Indies cricketer Darren Sammy named brand ambassador for, the answer is, Fun 88. Satish Agnihotri appointed as new MD of NHSRCL, National High Speed Rail Corporation. Ministry of Defence implemented web-based Sparsh for sanction and disbursement of defence pension. France tests Helma P laser-powered anti-drone system. Indian chess grandmaster Nihal Sarin wins Serbian Open Chess Championship. Germany's Toni Kroos announces retirement from international football. Shivam Shankar Singh and Anand Venkat Narayan have co-authored a new book. The answer is The Art of Conjuring Alternatives Reality. By this, we come to the end of the today's session. Thank you so much for your time and patience. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to press the bell icon so that you can get regular updates about my upcoming videos. And please do keep showering your love and support to this channel. Thank you so much.